Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm painting a loose watercolor forest. It's very simple, budget friendly, perfect for beginners. As always, I'm making a card, but you can create whatever you want. This could have been a Christmas card, but I like to add a few winter cards during the winter months as well, so I made a congratulation card. For the rest of the video I will play some music. And if you would like to have more details about the card, just hop over to my blog, the link is in the description, or ask in the comments.